Hello, everyone. I took a 2 week break. It was actually a break from live streaming, but I kept trading. Those week were actually very similar to what I have been doing. The only weird thing is that my only green Monday, it was the last Monday I decided to trade. I said I was going to stop trading Mondays by the end of last month because I had a 0% win rate. And, and that last Monday was the only one that was green. I was profitable that last Monday, but it was a decision made long before. So, but yeah, I'm back live streaming. Everything's still the same. Market is open. The only change that I have done is that stop trading Monday. But other than that, it's the same idea. That's it. I also got kind of a little bored of live streaming, especially on, well, TikTok is where I have the most interaction. But I was watching other streamers, and I don't like what the trading community portray on TikTok. Everyone is selling a curse. Everyone is claiming they're profitable, and I don't want to get associated with that. Both ES and NQ keep making new highs, all-time highs. Crazy, isn't it? I bet many people want to do a swing trade expecting a sell-off, because once this decided to go down, I think in 3 days it will wipe out. Probably 2 weeks. But I consider myself a scalper, so I have nothing to do with that. I think we have FOMC tomorrow. Today is very quiet, similar to yesterday. There's a tournament going on. Patrick Whelan, he's doing it with Legend Trading Legend, something like that. A lot of people participating in there, but it's too crazy. I'm also participating and I'm up 3K, but top 10 are above $30,000 in profit. That's crazy. Hey Tuki, how's it going, man? Yeah, I kind of took a 2-week break from live streaming. Not from trading, but live streaming. How you been? Yeah, everyone, it's top 10, it's all of them are above $30,000. That would be, there's no way I'll make that. It's also not free, it's $39 to enter that competition. Sometimes NinjaTrader do those competition and it's for free, but in this case, I think first place and top 10, all of them have rewards. So NQ and AES, both of them took yesterday high, and it looks like NQ it's finding support on the first percentage fair value gap. Hey B team, how's it going, man? Long time no see, right? How you been? I'm doing good as well. It's going good so far. Same thing. I haven't changed anything. I keep doing the same thing. I keep recording trades. I am over 100 trades already. And I already did my first change, which is I'm not trading Mondays anymore. My last trading Monday was last week. And surprisingly, that was the only green Monday after I think 8. It's funny because I think if you are not in the right mindset, it makes you think, okay, from now on, Mondays are going to be better or things like that. That one of my purpose is to trade less. I was having $500, $400 losing weeks, and I was losing around 200, 150 every Monday. That means that if I take out the Mondays, then I'm taking out losing trades. So first change already done. Usually on Mondays, the bank is setting up for next week. I don't know what's going on, but I never managed to get profitable on Mondays. Before I started doing the live stream, before I do everything the new thing, I also stopped trading Monday because of the same thing, but because I wanted to start from the beginning. Like I wanted to show why I am going to stop trading Mondays. I was live streaming every Monday and showing that every Monday was a losing Monday. But yeah, Mondays, they don't work out really good for whatever it is that I do. You have to start trading on Tuesday, mostly around the opening of New York. Schedule strong sales. Yeah. No matter what, I always trade this section, New York section, New York opening session. Some days I stay in the PM session, but it has to be a very high quality setup. If not, I don't take it. Lots of wick in the 5-minute on NQ. It's not ideal for a trending day, so let's see. Monday is a take profit day for the banks. That means it won't go well for you in the market. Good to know. You see a good setup in your eyesight in the market right now? Not really. All I see, I'm watching the 5 minute and I'm seeing a lot of wicks, which I don't like it, but if I see a good setup inside macro, then I might take it. But this is not ideal for me. This wick. Right here and right here. Let's see, both of them took yesterday high and its price is retracing right now. Let's see if that was enough for more downside and price now take low of day. Yes, it's closer to low of day than NQ. So we could be exposed to an SMT right there. And then go once more time taking high of day or this swing high right here. If ES take low of day and NQ doesn't, I will enter for more upside above the first presenter for value gap. First presenter for value gap, it's right here. That's why I was saying that looks like NQ it's finding support, because every time it tested, it go up, and even the candles are closing above, but that's it. Right now, it's going to do a lot of consolidation. Yeah, it looks like that's what it's doing. Even though I don't take any trade by this time, I like to see a little bit of price action before entering a trade, so I'm good right now. This candle here tested yesterday high, and look at the reaction. Yesterday high, it's at 252, and this candle high, it's 253. Yes, it's looking a little bit more clear. The 5 minute on ES doesn't look that bad. The 1 minute, 15 minutes. See? Market open here, push higher. Also took yesterday high, and now it's about to take low of day. And yet, NQ still holding, but look, you see ES was dropping and ENQ, look, it's pushing higher. We have the S&T I was talking about. $39. I entered there with one contract. Target it's at 48. 25. 50. I'm betting on a SMT on ES and NQ, and also NQ it's on the first percentile for value gap right here. Candle still closing above, so let's see. I only enter with one contract. ES took low of day right here. Look. Last minute of this 5-minute candle. This is a 5-minute low, so price couldn't take it here. We did a higher low. That's it. It's a 10-point trade. I wanted to enter on 39, which is the first percentile fair value gap, but the other gap fee on 41. On this small scalps, those 2-point matters, but it is what it is. Hey, how's it going, Pizza? Thank you, brother. This is the first trade of the day. How has been on your Sim Funder? Pretty good. Going up and down, the same thing. I took a break from live streaming, but I kept trading. So the Sim Funder right now, it's at 49.70. I mean 49,743, $43. So did you get it? Yeah, I'm above 100 trades already. I did my first change, which is I will not trade Mondays anymore, but I haven't changed anything else. Nice, man. Good decision. Yeah, that's exactly. It's funny because the last Monday, I think I did a Monday. I trade 8 Mondays, and the last one was the only one that was profitable. Was the only one green. I think it's funny because if I wasn't on the right mindset, I would say, well, probably things are changing. Maybe I should continue trading Mondays, but when I look at my journal, it's too many losing Mondays. Actually, none of them were winning trades. So yeah, I think it's also a good decision. I was consistently losing money on Mondays. I'm taking a break. I left a limit order on my chart. I need to wipe out my funded account. Yeah, that's messed up. I think that has happened to me as well. Somehow, I don't know. I think it has, but somehow every time I close the platform, I'm always looking out for that. Good thing is in NinjaTrader, if you have a limit order and you try to close the platform, it will tell you you have an order activated. So, but anyways, I'm always trying to, I'm looking out for that because that's crazy. Somehow they always work against you. There's not a chance that you leave that limit order, and when you wake up at the other day, you made a lot of money. No, it's always go to stop loss or wipe out the whole thing. Oh, you didn't close the platform. I see. Yeah. Wow. That's messed up, brother. I hate when things like that happen because at the end it's all your fault. You can be on a good really streak in the market, almost about to do a payout, and out of nowhere you make those mistakes. How you explain that? That's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing with mistakes. When losing trades happen, it's just, well, variation. It just happened. It is what it is. Next trade, come on. But when mistakes happen, it's like, come on. I'm losing already. How come I made these mistakes? Yeah, believe me, for me, making mistake is the hardest thing in trading. That's why you see me doing losing trades and consistently, and I'm okay. I know what I'm doing. I know I'm collecting data. It doesn't hurt. As long as I don't make a mistake, I'm good. Yeah. Thank you. It's about to take love. It did. That's it. That now invalidate anything to the upside for me. And here we did exactly what I was expecting. NQ took, ES took love day on this, swing low, and or this one, I don't remember. And I was expecting an SMT, first percent fair value gap, macro, at least another try, maybe a high of day or even this swing high, but as we can see, price is not. It's either consolidating or it's not that strong that it only took high of day and then reverse. But again, for me, it's enough. It's a 9-point trade. However, the idea was to enter at 39, which is where the first percent fair value gap is. But it failed at 41. It failed at 41. Those 2 point makes big difference. In a 10-point trade, it's 20% of the trade, but it is what it is. ES just closed the gap between today's open and yesterday's close to the tick. I think that's why we're seeing this small pullback, but that's it. might enter here for more downside. It's at 32. Stop. That's it. If we go above this swing high, then my stop loss is going to be above this. So if price go above that before hitting my entry, I would not enter on a trade. My target is a low day. Don't you want bear RR? No, just the same R, 1-to-1. Stop loss, it's going to be above this swing high. Target, it's going to be a low of day. Actually, the order should have been filled already, because when price was here, it should have been ready here. But calculating, and it took me too long. So probably I avoided a loss here because I was slow. Let's see. Now this is the last minute of this candle. If we hit my entry level on this last minute, it's good for me because the 5-minute won't close that strong. Hey Reese, how's it going, brother? I took a break from live streaming. It wasn't a break from trading. I kept trading, doing the same thing, but I felt like taking a break from live streaming, but I have been here the whole time. How about you, brother? How's it going? I blew my phone in front of me. I was 2% of passing phase 2, but I had a bad day. I see. That's it. This trade's invalidated. I avoided a loss because I was slow. I was calculating how many contracts I needed and everything that I needed to do. So I entered or tried to enter late, and thanks to that, I avoided a loss. Price is very balanced. It looks like a seek and destroy condition. We took high of day, reverse, took low of day, and now we're about to take high of day again. You blew your account. I see. Now I'm trying to build capital to buy another one. I see, brother. I still have the same sim funded account, but it's under 50K. So I'm negative around $250 on that account. All right, brother. Take care. You have a good session on the gym. just like I avoided this losing trade, I have been also in the situation where I was too slow and price moved away or tested my entry level and moved away immediately and hit my target without me. So I got lucky, yes, but I have been unlucky many times as well. Now after 40 minutes of market open, what I'm seeing it's balance, seek and destroy condition. When price opened, I was saying that I was looking at too many wicks, and that's not ideal for a trending day. And now we don't only see the wicks, now we see the actual consolidation. The wicks are only a clue of what to expect from the future. And now we are seeing actually the price action, and it's completely balanced. I think yes, it's a little bit clear. I say that when price was around here, by 950, NQ was showing a lot of wicks, and ES was just kind of clear, more clear, dropping. And by now it looks the same, a little bit more clear, dropping. Down here we have yesterday close exactly at 67.89. We kind of have a little bit reaction there. It was stronger on NQ than ES, but look, ES, it's already coming back. Hey Avi, what's up, brother? How's it going? Long time no see. Where have you been? My trade day, I have only done one trade. It was a win. It was a very small trade, 10-point trade. Right here. Oh, you're in Grace. I see. That's the goal, isn't it? Being on vacation and then taking trades on the phone. All the little Mac. That's awesome, brother. You're living the life. Looks good for downside. Yeah, kind of. Just in Seek and Destroy, it seems like. Yeah. For me, that's what I'm reading right now. I'm reading a Seek and Destroy price action. It's not a bad price action. Price action. It's just one type of price action. Do I know how to trade on this price action? I'm usually not that bad on this price action, but this is what I have to do. Say these small trades, 10-point trades. See? I think that it's not bad or good price action. It's just different price action, and as long as you recognize and adapt it, that's all. On a laptop, it's a dream. On vacation is a dream. And Grace. Grace is beautiful, isn't it? I'm starting to be profitable, consistent. That's good to hear, brother. That's good to hear. Have you changed anything? I see. I think everything arrived on the right time. So I'm glad it already arrived to you. All right, brother. Enjoy your vacation. Take care, brother. Thank you for passing by. Correct. Dímelo, brother, ¿cómo anda todo? ¿Qué tal? Es brutal. ¿Dónde has estado metido, brother? ¿Te perdiste? No te estoy jodiendo. Fui yo el que me tomé 2 semanas de break de live streaming. Pero seguí haciendo trade. Hmm. price is inside a range. So at any point it could look like price is dropping, and 1 minute after it could look like price is rallying. ¿Tienes familia cubana? Sí, yo soy cubano. ¿Qué tal, bro? ¿Cómo anda todo? $26.5, 26. I don't think today is the day to be risking a lot, so I'm entering there for more upside, targeting this swing high at 46. Stop loss below this swing low, so very small, very quick trade. Again, ES already took low of day. Thank you, still holding above. Let's see, the setup, it's not invalidated, not yet. ¿Tú crees? So now it's invalidated. That's it. ¿De qué parte de Cuba tú eres? De La Habana. Yo también soy de La Habana. Yeah. Pero dentro de La Habana. So that order was about to get filled there. I had the order at 36.5, and all discounted. The closest one was at 35.75. So for less than a point. So another losing trade avoided. Now things are looking a little bit better for the downside. If we go to the 5-minute, now price looks like it's trending. We did a lower low. 5-minute candle are looking better. And if we go to the 15, again, look at that 15-minute. Now all I want is a putback for more downside. We still have yesterday close, very far from where price is right now. ES is very weak, so Let's see if I can find a setup here before macro, so I can take one trade now and another trade inside macro. Because if I have to trade one trade after macro, the probability of that being a losing trades are very, very high. I truly don't see anything here that could imply that it's a good level for price to reverse. The only thing is that this is the second time price take low of day. One here, two here, and we are having this strong reaction. However, for me, it's not enough if I see a good setup. If I see a good setup, I would take it for more downside. There's nothing, not key level, nothing down here. And there's also nothing on ES. So I'm still looking for more downside. See, every 5 minutes, every push up, well, every no, because it is the first time after this trend, but price try again here and immediately. Not only immediately, but very aggressive. That's a good sign for more downside. It looks like we're done with this consolidation. Price break out of that range. It did break out. It did a breakout pullback. And now look how aggressive it's setting off. That's good. And yet it wasn't enough for me to take a trade. Price it's not inside a macro, and the pullback was very small for me to take a trade, but anything to the downside would have worked here. Let's see if inside macro I can find something to enter here. I want to enter between 210 and 230. So I need price to go back to that level. But we still have like 12 minutes for the macro. Yesterday close, it's at 77, 177. So we still have room. Hopefully, price doesn't reach that level before macro. I like to enter on trades where, even though I don't take the whole move, targeting, let's say 77, I like to have an idea to where price is going or what price is targeting. So I might get this, only this from here to here, but I like to have a level where I think, well, price is targeting this, price is going to hit this level, things like that. That's why somehow it becomes difficult when price is at all-time high and I'm taking long, because I don't know where price is going. Well, I never know where price is going, but I don't convince myself. I don't have anything to convince myself where price is going. Yes, it's right now at midnight opening and Thursday last week high. Let's see if that whole price a little bit into macro. You will see as soon as macro open, I will enter at any level for more downside. And the main reason it's because we still have just the close down here. So that's why I plan to be aggressive inside macro. Let's see. Ah. So price did came back to this level. And now this is the reaction we are having. Just the timing is not the best to me. I think we hit exactly the low of this 5-minute candle. Look to the tick and look at the reaction. All I'm doing now is waiting. Like I said, I didn't have the setup before macro. Now let's see what price do inside macro. If price come back to this imbalance, then I'll enter here for more downside. With a 23-point stop loss. Let's see. Four more minutes. 10. As soon as we hit 1050, I will place my limit order at 08.25. Two more minutes. Almost one. Two contracts. It's a lot. My target is at 85. Let's see if this was the test. Not bad. The target's hit. Oh. I will still wait for price to go to that. I can try to enter in this imbalance, but feels like chasing price. So remember the final target for me for this to do a it's enough, and we can then balance or do a pullback. It's just the day close, which is at 77.
Order filled.
Still waiting for that. 77.25. So nothing. It actually was enough with this imbalance. We hit this imbalance here that I wanted to hit at inside macro, and we hit it 2 minutes before macro. And then I felt like trying to enter here was chasing, but it actually worked because, like I say, 1-to-1 trades. Now we took just the close, and we can easily do a big pullback. When I say big pullback, it's big for me because these are small pullbacks, ones that I can enter for more downside, but a pullback on the higher time frame, and higher time frame I mean 5 minutes, that's enough to stop me out and then price reverts in my favor. It's just like price could be taking a breath here, and I could fail where I place the stop loss, the level where I place the stop loss. I was saying that this word I just didn't like to, since I was fixed to enter here when price was around here, I didn't want to chase, because many times when I do this and enter here, I get stop out. Look where I will be getting stop out, exactly where my older entry would be. So I have seen it that I get stop out and then price start moving in my favor. And then I say, if only I would have been more patient and leave my order here and forget about this. So, but let's see, because now it's different after price took just the day close. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Let's see if I'm able to find something else here, because it looks my time already passed. Price it's slowing now. How to say? Price is going down slowly. Oh, price is it's slowly going down. But still, it's respecting every previous swing high. It's not looking bad for sellers. See? Even though we did a big swing here, we still respect all this up close candle. We drop hard, enter on this imbalance, and yet we still respected that swing high. We could easily push higher than this. Many stop orders would be here, many stop losses, but somehow the way I see it, whoever was here defended this, and look how strong. Sometimes I say how strong because it's aggressive, and sometimes I say look how weak because it's dropping. It's weak, but it's the same. Very aggressive. Previous week high, it's 168, which means price already went below of it. We have London low at 127. Oh, price already took London low. We have Monday's low at 108. I think what happened here is that the key here, it's because my fear was entering here and placing my stop loss where my first trade would have been. I think what I have to do in this situation, it's just, okay, I enter here, but I place my stop loss up here where my first trade stop loss would be. But I shouldn't miss the trade. I think it's a It's a 38-point stop loss. Not that bad. It's good. now I wouldn't take anything down here. It's already overextended. It's not overextended, it's already did a good move, and price just took yesterday low. Well, first it took London low, and now it took yesterday low, and it's still dropping. Wednesday, I have another level here. I think it's Wednesday last week. It's Wednesday last week high, but here we could easily do a big pullback, and that's, like I say, I would be risking to enter on a trade, get stop out just because it's a bigger pullback. Price already swept two key levels, and then see price moving in my favor, because even if we don't reverse, since my stop loss are considered tight, I could get stop out. Price could go as high as wherever he want and then continue dropping, and it will look then like I got stop out just to see price running in my favor afterwards. So that's it for me for today. Only one trade, very nice. Inside all this range, I managed to get a nice trade. Again, it was very patient. I waited for micro. I waited for an expected an SMT, another try to high of day, or maybe this swing high here. But since the opening price is showing that buyers are not willing to enter at these high prices. But other than that, I wasn't able to find anything else. That's it. I'm going to end it here. Bye bye and take care.